Hi, Brad with Horizon Ag and Turf. I'm the General Service Manager for the East locations. Today we're in Lloydminster and we're going to take you behind the scenes of what happens in the back. The unique thing about this location is we're one of the largest in Western Canada. We've got over 40 technicians that work on a wide variety of equipment as well as look after in-shop and field needs for our customers.
Can you tell me what the different types of equipment we service are?
We work on agriculture, small construction, turf, as well as golf equipment here in this location.
How does the John Deere training we provide to our techs help them stay up to date on new equipment and technology?
It takes a long time to become a trained technician. We work on online training as well as in-house training for our technicians to make sure they're up to date with all the information and latest and greatest technology to keep your equipment running smoothly.
So, Brad, can you tell me how you want our customers to feel when they come into the shop?
We need our customers to feel welcome, whether it's the initial phone call, coming in person, to make sure you know who the technician is working on your equipment, as well as making sure that your needs are looked after for your equipment to run smoothly in your operation.
What kind of skills do technicians require that customers might not realize?
Our number one thing is cleanliness. We have to make sure we look after this equipment, we take it apart, we ensure exactly what we need to get it up and running when you need it. We got to make sure everything is taken apart, analyzed, till we know the utmost care for your equipment needs.
Brad, do you know if the parts arrived for Shed 18?
Yes, they've been delivered and technicians currently working on them.
Thanks, Brad.
You're welcome.
We're very fortunate here in the Lloydminster store. We've got a large warehouse that we can pull parts from. We've also got, we're positioned quite well here. We got the Edmonton John Deere warehouse as well as Regina. So typically we can get parts overnight when needed, which helps keep guys going.
What's the team like here in the Lloyd shop?
We've got a great team here, young high school students all the way up to older technicians that have been around for a long time with a lot of experience. We like to get together as a group and have fun here in Lloydminster, just to keep that good atmosphere going.
What's a typical day look like for the techs?
So depending on the time of year, we'll change day to day. During the winter, most guys are doing 8-hour days. Harvest and seeding, obviously those guys are putting in a lot more overtime.
On the topic of overtime, could you tell me some of the other ways that we go above and beyond for our customers here at Horizon Ag and Turf?
1 year parts and labor warranty installed on any John Deere part that's installed by a certified technician. In Lloydminster, we also have 11 service trucks that are dispatched out of this store. And new to this year, we have a truck that'll be stationed out of Pierceland.
How does regular maintenance outside of busy season help prevent downtime for our customers?
Keeping everything inspected throughout the year helps keep them uptime in season when we're harvest and seeding time. Al and Dawson, see that 4-wheel drive just showed up on the truck?
Yeah, you bet. We got a tech ready and a bay all cleaned up and ready to repair it.
Awesome, thanks guys.
What advantages do customers get when they choose a Horizon Ag and Turf shop?
You know, I'd say it's the wealth of knowledge from the combined years of experience of all the guys here.
How do you guys get through our busy season?
We use a team system where there's always techs available and they can still have a work-life balance.
What makes supporting customers in the Lloydminster area unique?
Building those relationships with them that helps their business thrive in this area.
What are you responsible for in the shop?
I assign work orders. I also will help diagnose, and then I do provide some quality control as well.
What makes you proud of the work that you do?
Providing a good repair that we can back up as a company.
Thanks for coming in today to look at our operations in Lloydminster. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact us and we'll look after your needs.